Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this trade, I will be discussing about TCS results trade. TCS results will be announced on 9th July, mostly after market time. When to take a results trade? You need to take a trade 2-3 days before results to profit from IV crash. The stock should be high IVP stock and liquidity shouldn't be a concern. How to check liquidity and IVP? You can go to define edge and there is an options dashboard and you can select here liquidity, earnings and IVP. So you can see TCS qualified all these three. So we can proceed with results trade. And what homework to be done? You need to check historical results and stock movement on results day, how it fared in history. And if you can do chart analysis, it will be an added advantage. So let's check historical results. So I have already compiled historical results from last 5 quarters. So you can check this is the results date from last 5 quarters and these are the results time, and you can see the results were announced after the close of market in all the cases. And this is the close price before result and close price of next day after results. You can see the last 5 times the change was between minus 2.3% to 5%. And on 16th April, Nifty moved like more than 300 points, and that is one of the reason why it moved up by 5%. Otherwise, it was trading in a range in less than 5%. And the major thing to notice was this IV crash. This was the IV on previous day, this was the IV on next day. You can see the IV crashed almost 15 to 20% in all the cases. So we need to depend on this IV crash to get profit on the results trade. Now let's go back to chart analysis. So this is the TCS chart. It had made a low of 1560 on 18th March and from there it was in continuously uptrend. You can see these trend lines here. The major support is currently at 2000. You can see multiple times it came to support and moved up. The major resistance is 2290. If you zoom out, you can see 2290 it touched multiple times in November 2019. Here one more time, like 6-7 times it touched here and came down. So it will act as a major resistance for the TCS stock. So our strategy should be such that we should get profit below 2290. Now let's move to the strategies. I will discuss three strategies, one for risky trader, one for medium risk trader and one for low risk trader. For risky trader, they can go with short straddle and square off the positions at close of results day. So this is the short straddle. So currently it is trading at 2179 the future price. So I will be taking a short straddle at 2180. And here you can see even if the stock moves until 8% down or 6% up, we will be still in profit. But we won't be carrying this trade until the end of expiry. So we will need to check next 5 days. So next 5 days, and IV crash was 15% normally when we check the historical result data. So I am keeping as 15%. So you can see even if stock trades from minus 6% to plus 4%, you will be in profit with this trade. and the maximum profit will be 10,000 per set, and it will be maximum profit you can get at 2180. So this is trade for high risk takers. As you can see, there is unlimited loss. So if you can take risk, then you can go with this trade. And when compared to historical results, this trade will be mostly profitable. As you can see, the maximum range is 5.4% on 16th April. So I'm expecting like it will be in plus or minus 5%. So you can get a cool profit of like 2000 to 10,000 depending on the close of next day. The next strategy is for medium risk trader. It is basically short strangle and you can square off at close of results day. I mean next day. So I'm basically shorting 2000 put option and 2340 call option as I defined in the graph. 2000 will be major support and 2300 is major resistance. So I am choosing these strikes. So you can see 72% probability of profit in this, and you can get 10% profit of the margin paid. And in this case, here also I am doing the same thing. I'm expecting IV crash like 15%. If IV crash is more, you will get more profit. And I am checking for next 5 days. So you can see here, even if stock goes to minus 7% to 4.24%, you will be still in profit with this trade. And even if it goes out, the loss will be limited. Like if it goes to 2340, loss will be around 6,000 and maximum profit is 7,000 here. So this is the trade for medium risk takers, as here also the loss can be unlimited. So the next trade is for low risk trader. In this trade, what we will do was we'll buy 1 out of the money call option, sell 3 out of the money next call option, and buy 2 out of the money to cover this call option. You can carry this trade until expiry as it is low risk and probability of success is more and risk to reward is also good. So let's go into this trade details. So what I am doing was I will be buying 2220 CE. I will be selling 3 lots of 2260 CE and I am buying again 2 lots of 2300 CE. So because of margin benefit, we can get this entire trade for only 77,000 margin. So this is one benefit of the trade. Also, you can see the maximum profit is 16,000, that is 21%. Maximum loss is 7,000, that is only minus 9%. And probability of profit is 67%. So in a way, this is high probable trade and risk to reward ratio is also good. So you can carry this trade until end of expiry. As we already checked in the chart analysis, 2290 was the major resistance. So in this trade, we will get loss only if TCS crosses 2290. If it stays below 2290, you can expect a good profit for lot. So this is the payoff graph. So you can see that if it stays below 2210, you can get around 4,800 profit. So considering like 77,000 margin, it's a good return. And you get the maximum profit at 2,260. Maximum profit is 16,515. And you can get loss only if it crosses and closes above the resistance, that is 2290. And the loss is also limited like 7,100. So this trade is for basically low risk traders. So these are the 3 strategies I wanted to discuss for TCS results trade. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.